Alright YouTube, I'm back with a quick unboxing. This is going to be the Godox BFP. This is the optical projection. They make two models that Godox released. The BLP, which is compatible with LED strobes, and then they have the BFP, which is this model that's compatible with flashes. I believe you can also use continuous lights with this as well, but I think the way it's designed is it's not designed primarily for that. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and we'll see what we got. So here we have it, the Godox BFP. So let's go ahead and get it open and see what we got. Comes with a cleaning cloth.
Hey YouTube. Hey YouTube.
They wanted to jump in the video, so wave to the camera. Alright, you want to open it and unzip it? There you go. Alright, so here is the instructions. Here's the projection unit. Right here. And this is the part that I'm talking about that goes on the Bowens mount adapter. The BLP has more of glass here, and this doesn't, because this has to allow the bulb some room to get in here. And then it comes with a, thank you honey. And what number is this?
880. It's 5T.
Good, 85. This comes with a, I believe this is a Canon EF mount, but this is an 85 millimeter lens. Thank you. Okay, you gotta show it to the camera here. These are the gobos right here, and the shapes pretty much.
Here's like it.
Yep, and that is the gobo holder. And this right here is, this goes on the front element of the lens. And then from here, there are gels that would attach to the front of the lens, basically to add color. And I believe that is the Godox SA11C that I ordered. So I got some colors getting ready to come in that will, I'll put this thing to use. So we'll see. But other than that, it's pretty simple. This pretty much just comes off, and then this attaches to the front of this. So we'll go ahead and put this thing to use and see what it does, y'all. Alright, so this is me in the garage, setting it up with two 8200 Pro 2s, and using the AD-B2 bracket, which has a 38 watt LED modeling light. So this is me using the Godox BFP with the AD-B2 bracket, where you pretty much use two 8200s or two 8200 Pros. And if you look, I have some ambient light going on in the room, but at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the modeling light on now, and that's pretty much the projection that you can see, unless it's darker. Now I can unplug this light, and then of course it'll look a lot brighter, but at the same time, this is designed for flash. So With that being said, as long as you're able to see, of course, the flash, when it flashes, it's going to get brighter than this. But as far as being able to see where the light actually is, I think this is more than enough. And this 80B2 bracket, I believe, has a 38, and this is actually turned up to its brightest. So I believe that it's a 38 watt LED. So I also have a 600 up here. You can't really see it unless I turn some lights on. But I also have a 8600 Pro right here. And that has a 40 watt LED bulb in it. So pretty much, I'm going to pretty much get the same output whether I'm using 280-200s or a 8600. But for me, I mean, let's be honest. This is perfect. I can see where the pattern is.